Texture and clarity are similar in nature but give different results. Let's start with clarity. Clarity is great when you want to create more contrast and detail in the larger, more defined parts of the image. If you increase the clarity, you'll see there is a stretch in the middle of the histogram which creates greater contrast in the midtones. This is what leads to the greater clarity you see in the image. Clarity can be great for bringing out detail in things like clouds in the sky. Be careful, as you can definitely overuse clarity and make your images look a bit fake. You could also use clarity to soften aspects of your image, including skin tones. However, often this can be a little heavy-handed. Texture is similar to clarity, but it's more subtle. It's great when you just want a little bit more definition in your image and clarity is giving you too much. Clarity tends to darken parts of your image too much, and texture is better in this respect. Texture can be great for subtle things like adding a bit more contrast and detail to a face. Using negative texture can also be good to help smooth out the skin tones where clarity often makes the skin look plastic and fake. Both tools can be useful in certain situations, and it really depends on the photo you're editing. Have a play with both and see if you can see the difference in this and other images.